Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We are located in Milan, Tennessee. We are so excited today to show you something pretty unique. It's a 2023 Oliver Legacy Elite 2 camper made right here in Tennessee down the road. The best quality camper I've ever seen as far as the craftsmanship, the material, very high end. It reminds me of a boat we once had. It's built the same way, just top-notch quality. We'll go over everything in a minute, but it's just like new condition. Beautiful rig. It's 23 foot 6 inches long, 9 foot 7 inches tall, 7 foot wide. Look at these beautiful line. I guess we'll start with how about these aluminum step. Every coach should have this. Maintenance free. The whole camper is made of aluminum, fiberglass. The chassis. Oh, here's Camille, my wife. She's gonna help us out.
He's gonna forget about me.
I know it.
Look at that.
Yes. Nice table. You get this table in 23 because they went to the new refrigerator, two-way compressor refrigerator, which works a lot better, and then you don't have that vent down there. So now they can. You got to do both of them at the same time. There you go. So yeah, the new refrigerator is nice. The table's nice. So the chassis is galvanized steel, and the structure is made of aluminum. So pretty much maintenance free. Got nice 15-inch aluminum wheels, 10-ply tires. It's got never lube axle and easy flex suspension with the shocks. Yes, so it's got a front electric jack, and also it's got electric stabilizer jacks on the back. Very nice. Got outlet here. And this one has the Truma furnace and the hot water. So you've got unlimited hot water, and you get heat with the propane furnace also. And it's got the upgraded, very quiet air conditioner. You see it up here. That's a 13,500 BTU, and it's like 20 to 30 decibel quieter than the regular Dometic. We'll go inside and crank it up. You'll see how quiet it is. I don't know if you can do that. It's kind of
heavy.
Well,
No.
you got to push it in and push it. There we go. It's a two-hand operation, but back here in the bumper, you can put your hose, sewage hose, and there's the the drain for the sewage. And you've also got a quick connect for like a gas pit or a grill cooktop. And you've got one in the front also. How about a full-size spare? That Oliver logo at the top lights up red when it's plugged up. You can see you've got a backup camera, a wireless screen that you can put in your truck where you can see what's happening. Good safety feature. And it's got antenna for the TV.
I love these windows. They're the same color as the coat.
Yes.
I think it makes it look very chic.
You've got all the stuff's here, hasn't been used. Got all your water hookup, your hose. Got an outside shower. And this is where you operate the jacks on each side. There's your black and gray tank drains.
It even have a little lever
Yeah,
right there.
everything is insulated. This is a four-season camper, a real one. There's been customers camping in single-digit temperature with no problem, because all the plumbing is inside, as long as you have the furnace running, obviously, but everything is inside. Double wall shell, double pane windows. How about this? Nice quality hardware. Push that one in. So it takes two hands. There you go. Pull it out. There's 4 AGM 6-volt batteries. You've got a 2,000 watt inverter that runs everything, including the microwave. You can run the microwave on the batteries. You got your 30 amp hookup.
Solar?
Yeah, 400 watt solar. Here you've got your two 20-pound propane tank. I mean, there's a little access. I don't know if you can see the tanks. They're in here, but
You could go a while on this.
yep. Here's your. That's so handy. You don't have to crank nothing. It's all powered. And this is what I'm talking about, the fit and finish. Look at all this aluminum, fiberglass. Got the bullnose hook up for 2-inch. Very easy to operate. Once you get your ball on it, you just squeeze this and this slides over. Very reliable. It's rated for up to 7,000 pounds. Got another hookup for your quick connect for gas. All right, let's go inside.
Let's go inside.
Very pretty. And for the tall people, I'm about 6'6" clearance. I mean, that's more than most motorhomes. Look at this finish.
Isn't this beautiful?
This is called fiber granite material. Very durable, easy to maintain. Got nice, comfortable seating. This little dinette area converts into a single bed, so you can sleep 3 people in here, basically. All the cabinets are molded fiberglass.
This is called a frosted glass.
Yeah, so this is gonna last
That's
forever.
nice.
Nothing's gonna fall apart going down the road because it's all one piece.
And they all have lights in them, which I love.
I know. You gotta turn it in the middle. There's your microwave with a turntable. This is the new refrigerator. Pretty roomy. Got a little ice tray. And this works off the 12 volt to the 110. And it's a compressor, so it's gonna get cold quick and stay cold. A lot better than the propane stuff. And how about this huge stainless sink?
Isn't that pretty?
And that comes out to clean. And look at this here.
And those are actually soft closed
Nice
doors.
dovetail, real wood, no pressed wood or fake material. And they're soft close. Well, a little bit. It grabs it, and then when you're traveling, you push again and it locks it. Lots of storage. Got a 2-burner cooktop. Got nice lights. You got an outlet here, coffee maker, USB, 12 volt, nice lights. You've got a
You could use that as a pantry.
pantry.
It's very nice.
There's the owner's manual. And also there's a secret spot here.
Oh, I didn't even know that.
You didn't, I didn't see. I'm showing you something. Usually you're the one showing
I
me
know.
stuff.
Usually that's me showing him these things.
So you've got your 2 single beds here. That makes it nice at night. You can get out without disturbing your partner. It's got a great sound system. It's got speakers all around it. And this is all controlled here. Even the TV's hooked up to this. So you don't have to rely on the speaker or the TV. It sounds great. It's got a DVD player, CD player, Bluetooth, radio, auxiliary input, HDMI, you name it, it's got it. There's your battery monitor for the solar panel. This is Bluetooth too. Got a smart TV, so if you've got Wi-Fi, you can connect all your Netflix and all your smart apps. All right, I gotta show you this air. Usually I don't turn the air on the videos for a reason, but this one, I can actually brag about it. It's got a remote. Let's turn it on. Takes a second. Right. We'll see. I guess we'll go over the windows. There we go. I don't know if the microphone will pick it up, but it's so quiet. Usually those air conditioning RVs are so loud. I mean, how about that? So quiet. Got nice windows. You got your night shade and then your day shade. So you could crack up the window and have some air coming in without bugs coming in. We got to put this AC in our camper.
I know.
I wish I'd known about that, but that just come out. This is new for 23. So let's go ahead and turn it off, but very nice. Got a smoke detector here. Carbon monoxide too. Got another USB. And then you got a 12-volt outlet here. I mean, 110 speakers. Just beautiful. I mean,
under this side over here, you've got a
oh, yeah,
storage, which is really cool.
That's the same as outside.
Yeah,
it just
and
connects.
it goes to outside, so you can open it from inside.
And the same one is here, so you can access that storage compartment from 3 different ways.
Yeah, I like that.
Oh, let me show you the other. Some people might like to see this. I am impressed with the build. If you've looked at a lot of RVs, you'll see campers are not built this way. This is like a boat. Look at all the insulation. All the plumbing is inside. That's why it won't freeze as long as you got heat in here. And on this side, look at the nice layout. Whoever built this cares, you can tell. Just very nice. Plenty of storage. Let me see. Oh, here's all the fun stuff. This is where you control the water heater. You can control the air conditioning from here too, and the furnace. You've got all your gauges, fresh water, gray and black. Everything's empty, hadn't been used, so it's just like new. There's your inverter. Right now we're absorbing because we're plugged up, but it's got an automatic transfer switch. When you unplug and plug, it does it all by itself, and it'll keep the battery charged. And also you've got your solar panels. How about some goodies? Got all the original goodies: hat, koozie, t-shirt. All right, let's go see what's going on here. Open that door for me.
I love this bathroom.
It's different. So it's got the optional $1,400 composting commode, which is great for people that wants to do extended boondocking, because you don't have to worry about dumping your black water. Pretty neat. I've never used one, but it looks cool. It's different. Got your window. There's some of the compost pads that you put in it. We got all the instruction how to operate this. But if somehow you didn't want this set up, it does have the black water tank, so you can convert it back to another, the regular commode. You have to do a little bit of plumbing and things like that, but it's possible. Here's your shower or your sink. And then when it's your shower, you just hook it up right here. It's pretty roomy in here.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Most of these wet baths are really small.
And then you've got your exhaust fan here. It's open already, so that's nice for the steam. And plenty of height again. How
and
about
talk
the
about
master
your storage.
closet?
Yeah, I mean, look at that.
Pretty deep.
Mm-hmm. You could put a lot of stuff in there.
Yep. Very nice.
Considering the size of this camper, you have a lot of storage.
It's well thought out.
Yeah.
I am impressed. We've always wanted one, but I mean, we never run across them. We just got lucky. It's on a trade-in, so. This is the wireless controller for the awning. I guess we'll play outside with it.
And one thing I wanted to say is I love this floor. I mean, it just looks like that country hardwood.
That is wood, isn't it? No, it's vinyl. It looks like wood.
But it looks like wood, and it's very easy to clean.
So that would make it, easy to maintain.
Yeah, it's been cleaned and sanitized.
There's your 110 breakers and your 12 volt. Oh, and right here, that's nice too. You got another 110. So if you work on a computer, hook up your laptop, and then you got a USB here, keep your phone charged. Pretty cool.
It's actually really roomy, and I can't get over the height.
I know, it's very tall. All right, let's go back outside. There's all your controls. Hall number, your lights. Oh, I forgot. I did find the master, Camille, for the. It's right here. master for the 12 volt cutoff.
Oh, okay, nice.
See that red?
I see that.
Yep.
Nice. And you do have this fan.
Oh, that's right.
The max flow fan, which we really
It's
like.
running right now. It's got, you can have this thing running when it's raining too. It's got a hood on top. You can have it open. Oh, I just hit a button on the remote. Maybe I done something. I might make him nauseous on that moving I just did, but all right. These are the best awning you can get. And it's painted white. We've never seen them white. Even the end cap are white with the LED light. And you just operate it with this remote here. Very cool. I was gonna show you the double, hang on to this. These windows. They're double pane windows. That's how they get that insulation. And this thing is so airtight that when I've got the exhaust fan running in the ceiling and the door shuts, you can tell the fan is struggling because it's got no air coming in. If you're looking for a high quality camper in like new condition, I believe you found it. We're gonna give you a 2-year platinum warranty on this camper. So peace of mind, you can extend it, but it does come with a 2-year warranty. We checked everything, everything's working like it should. You're basically buying a new camper, just not the new price. We'll make sure you're comfortable with all the process, how everything works. And we're also here after the sale. You get my cell phone, and if you got questions, I'll do my best to help you out. To see if this Oliver is still for sale, you can go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. This is what you're looking for. Do not hesitate, give us a call anytime at 731-686-8800. And you can fly into Memphis or Nashville and we'll pick you up, and you can, well actually on this one, they would come with a truck.
Yeah, they need to pull this
Yeah,
one out.
yeah, you
So
need to
used
bring your truck.
saying that.
I'm used to saying that on the RVs, but anyway, you got anything?
Thank you for watching our video. We love all of our YouTubers, and just remember there's no better time than right now to go out and do some camping with your family. See you on the next one.
Thank you for watching.